In yet another big push for financial reforms, the government has simplified the process of withdrawal from Employee Provident Fund. The Central Board of Trustees of EPF organization has announced major steps to benefit over 7 crore subscribers of the scheme. These changes aim at simplifying withdrawals, cutting litigation, and leveraging digital technology, all geared towards making your EPF account easier to manage and more secure. First up, partial withdrawals have been simplified by merging 13 withdrawal categories into just 3: essential needs, housing, and special circumstances. What does this mean for you? Easier access to your funds when you need them, with less paperwork and hassle. There are some big departures from earlier policies, giving you more power over your money. Withdrawal limits have been liberalized for big life events like education and marriage. Now you can withdraw up to 10 times for education and 5 times for marriage, a significant increase from the earlier combined cap of 3. A key safeguard to protect your retirement savings has been introduced. 25% of your EPF balance will now be locked in at all times. This ensures your money keeps growing with EPFO's attractive interest rate of 8.25%, helping build a stronger corpus for your future. The timeline to fully withdraw your EPF balance after a job loss has been extended from 2 months to 12 months. Similarly, final pension withdrawal can now only happen 36 months instead of 2 months after retirement. This, the government says, protects your long-term financial security. Another member-friendly move. Under special circumstances, you no longer need to specify a reason to withdraw funds, a major win against claim rejections that plagued many subscribers. A new Vishwas scheme has also been announced to reduce long-pending litigations on penal damages amounting to over 2,400 crore rupees. The scheme cuts penalties to a flat 1% per month with graded rates for minor delays. It covers all pending cases and aims to ease legal burdens on subscribers and employers alike. There's also big relief for pensioners. EPFO has partnered with the Postal Department to deliver digital life certificate services right at your doorstep, at no cost. No more travelling or waiting in lines. On fund management, a panel of 4 investment managers has been appointed to prudently manage your Provident Fund's debt portfolio, ensuring better risk diversification and steady growth of your retirement kitty. As of 31st March, EPFO manages over 23 lakh crore rupees. A majority of these funds are invested in government securities. The funds are also parked in other private bonds, equities via exchange-traded funds and short-term debt. These landmark reforms mark a new era for EPF subscribers, empowering employees with simplified access, digital convenience, and stronger retirement security. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.